really hard to comprehend all that is happening right now in the world. There's a lot of confusion, fear, and uncertainty, and it just seems like a crazy, surreal sci-fi movie. However, there are certain things that I can't stop thinking about, and I guess a few realizations that I've had since I've been at home social distancing and quarantining. Is that a word? I've been in quarantine, and perhaps you've had similar thoughts, perhaps you haven't, but these things are being highlighted more than ever, and I just wanted to share these thoughts with you. Interdependence is a fundamental law of nature. Even tiny insects survive by mutual cooperation based on innate recognition of their interconnectedness. It is because our own human existence is so dependent on the help of others that our need for love lies at the very foundation of our existence. Therefore, we need a genuine sense of responsibility and a sincere concern for the welfare of others. We need each other and we depend on each other. We all know that we are connected and we depend on each other and we need each other. However, you don't fully realize it and you don't fully feel it until a moment like this. I am fully feeling it right now, and I am fully understanding the meaning of interconnectedness and mutual cooperation and the fact that we are all in this together and the fact that we're a global family. You know, things like, I can do it all by myself, it's me against the world, I don't need nobody else. Have you said any of these things in the last year or two? I'm sure you have, and I have as well, especially I can do it all by myself. But I'm finally realizing that it's not about me and by myself, but it's about us and together. We rely on other people and other people rely on us. Businesses have customers, customers have businesses. Teachers have students, students have teachers. Creators have viewers and viewers have creators. It's this incredible ecosystem. What I do affects you and what you do affects me. Other people play a huge part in us accomplishing our goals, and as a result, we are helping them accomplish theirs. There's no such thing as doing it by yourself, and there's no such thing as accomplishing something by yourself. Even when you think that you don't need other people, you do. For example, traveling the world has never been easier. You go online, you buy a ticket, go to the airport and fly, and then you say, look at me, I am traveling the world by myself. I am doing this whole thing by myself. But there are hundreds of people that are a part of the solo trip that you are taking. There are hundreds of people that made this trip possible for you. As a result, you're also making things possible for them. You are the customer, you are the passenger, you are the tourist. You are contributing to other people and other people are contributing to you. It's so hard for me to express myself, so I hope I'm making sense, but we're an ecosystem. We are interconnected, we need each other, we depend on each other, we rely on each other. And yes, under these crazy and undesirable circumstances, these things are being highlighted, but I feel like these are the things that we are finally understanding the meaning of, and we understand what it feels like to be interconnected and what it feels like to be a part of a global family. We only appreciate what we have when we lose it. I love going to cafes and working from there. I love going to the gym. I love going to the cinema. I love meeting friends out for dinner and going to concerts. Never in a million years would I have thought that I'm not going to be able to do these things. And more importantly, that essentially it's going to be forbidden to do these things. Places that are usually filled with people and places that were made to bring people together are shut down. You know, up until this point, meeting friends or going to events has been all about choices and decisions. We choose what we would like to do and then we decide when we want to do it. But not right now. I've never appreciated going to a cafe and just being a stranger amongst other strangers until now. And in the Netherlands right now, where I am, you can't be outside with more than 3 people and you have to keep a distance of 1.5 meters. And if you don't keep the distance of 1.5 meters between you and another person, you can get a fine up to 400 euros. You can get a fine for standing too close to another human being. It's necessary and it's important, but just saying these words out loud that you can get fined for standing too close to another person. Dear humans, I just miss sharing an experience with you, and I just miss being a stranger in your reality, if that makes sense. I miss us laughing in the cinema in unison together. I miss us dancing in the concerts of the artists that we love, and I just miss seeing you be out with your friends as I am out with my friends. And I might not know you, I might never know you, and I might even not cross paths with you, but I know that we depend on each other, and I rely on you, you rely on me. What I do affects you, what you do affects me, and I just hope you're staying safe. I hope you're staying healthy, and yeah, we're a part of this incredible ecosystem. We're a part of this global family, and I hope you're staying safe. I hope you're staying healthy, and I will see you next week.